In today's video, I will walk you through how to make transparent background in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To follow along, you will need Adobe Photoshop installed on your computer. You can download Photoshop from the official Adobe website, and once you open the program, you can use the built-in selection and masking tools directly inside Photoshop to remove backgrounds while keeping natural details like hair. The first thing you want to check is whether the image layer is locked. Over in the Layers panel, look for the small padlock icon on the image layer. Click that padlock once to unlock the layer. After unlocking the layer, move to the top menu and click Select, then choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically scan the image and create a selection around the main subject. Once Photoshop finishes creating the selection, go back to the Select menu again and choose Select and Mask. This opens Photoshop's dedicated workspace for improving selections and cleaning up edges. Inside this workspace, go to the View settings and change the preview mode to On Black. Next, enable Smart Radius. This helps Photoshop recognize softer and more detailed edges, such as hair or fur. After turning that on, set the radius value to 9. Now move to the brush settings located near the top left corner. Click the small arrow to open the brush options, and set the brush size depends on your resolution. With that brush ready, carefully paint around the edges of the subject's hair. As you paint over these areas, take your time here and focus mainly on the outer edges of the hair, where the background blends into the subject. After you are satisfied with the hair selection, go to the Properties panel and enable Decontaminate Colors. Then set the amount to 80%. This helps remove leftover color fringing from the old background and blends the edges much more naturally with transparency. Once everything looks good, press OK to apply the changes. You should now have a clean, transparent background while still keeping soft and realistic hair details. To compare the results, place the cutout beside the original image and inspect the edges closely. You will notice that most of the harsh artifacts are removed, and the hair still looks natural instead of overly sharp or cut out. And that is how you can create a transparent background in Adobe Photoshop while maintaining realistic detail around the edges of your subject.